What's up, guys? It's Toby over at SBC Performance once again, and we are back. Finally going to put this 135 back in Rob's CVO. We're under the gun like usual. We're like a week and a half out from Daytona here, so we're running late, but we're going to get this thing put in the frame. We're waiting for a few gaskets and a couple other things. Rob ended up going with the Cyclorama 557 cam. We got the 68mm throttle body, all that other good jazz. So should be a ripper. We'll get this thing in. Yeah, talk while you're lifting a motor, right? You're not lifting a motor if one of your lips aren't tucked. Because this is the worst position you could ever be in for height. All right. Oh, and I don't want to crush any of this shit either, so keep an eye out. Try to guide me in there pretty good though, so I'm not hitting everything. Huh? Down?
Yep.
In more?
Yep.
How are we looking? My fucking arms are getting destroyed right now. How's the bottom looking? Is that interconnect still on? Yeah, it is.
Needs to come back a little more.
Needs to go up and back. All right, hold on. Go down with the tranny. The ratchet in the front.
Why?
Fuck.
Right here?
Ratchet the jack down.
Okay.
All right, hold on. Let me look at it here. The fuck am I hitting? What am I hitting on your side, Mason?
You're hitting the wood.
Oh, my fucking hand.
You gotta slide back a little bit.
Is the wood in the way?
The problem is, yeah, the wood's in the way.
I gotta get my hand out of here. It's stuck. Fully stuck. Yeah. Stuck in. There we go. I'll go down with the jack then, I guess. Okay. You got a short one, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Should be able to get in there. If I didn't take it off to get it out.
That's true.
I think I answered my own question. Just be careful on that side cover with that shifter.
Yeah.
You get one started over there yet?
No.
This might be the longest install I've ever had on a motor in my life. I don't think I took that thing out. Maybe I did. Not bad for my first time assistant. His first ever motor install. I can't put the rest of it together. I can put the intake. No, I can't even do that. I'm waiting for like 2 gaskets I gotta go get at lunch to do the rest of the motor. Yeah, they thought they had them, then they got the wrong ones and blah, blah, blah. So a lot better if I had a ratchet. Now we got the old motor back in. Redo. We got the new 135 safely seated back in its home. We got, like I said, a few other things to button up on it. We got some other treats we're gonna get done here for the front end. And we do have a couple new parts too coming out that will be on this bike and a couple other ones down in Daytona. So make sure you click like, subscribe, and check us out on the next video for what we got coming. Later.